What's up YouTube? Welcome back. Today's episode, Lek and myself are going to jump on the bike, head about 20 minutes north to Huay Kaew Waterfall, check out the waterfall, have a splash, have lunch at the local restaurant, probably have a swim when we get back to the condominium. When we get back, we're going to enjoy the American Thanksgiving Festival held at ONE Nimman. Should be good. Come along, enjoy, catch you then. This morning we're off for a bit of an adventure to take a look at a restaurant beside a waterfall called Huay Kaew Restaurant. It's up Huay Kaew Road towards Doisitep Mountain.
See what we can see?
Or closing. Elevator is going down.
Smile for the camera, darling. Bad. Good. I'm going to get Lek to ride this morning and I'll be sitting in the back. Part of the reason why is there's a whole bunch of police stationed normally on Huay Kaew Road just past Maya, checking for licenses and everything else. And it appears my international driver's license has a stamp in the wrong place that says I'm not allowed to ride a motorbike in Thailand, even though I had to get Lek's driver's license out ready, just in case, because we know that that's where the police are going to sit and watch. It's a slightly bigger bike than what Lek is used to. This is a 150cc. Plus you do sit up, I want to lay on this pillion seat. My God, you okay? Can you sit forward a little bit?
Not more.
I'm trying not to move. I'm not used to being a pillion passenger. You alright? Poor little bike's not used to having a big fat man sitting on the back. Huay Kaew Road, oh my God. Yeah, I'll just pull into the left hand lane, go on the gas. IPA and a watermelon something or other. Well, Lek gonna be trying an IPA. Gonna try my IPA. Do the face, Lek. Do the. Oh, she loves that IPA. Oh yes. Not. Eating the most monstrous Huay. Natural oyster, my God. Oh, she's eating it. The things this girl sticks in her mouth got me amazed. My God.